Best to give me your loyalty. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV. What's going on with you guys? Look, we are just going to be vlogging today. I have to go to a couple of stores and we're just going to talk about it, guys. We got so much to talk about. So guys, I am out here and it is cold, but I'm going to tell you right now how our hair is. Our hair is the bomb. It is the bomb. All right, guys, so today is Sunday. A lot of stuff is closed too. A lot of stuff is closed, but I am on my way, to get my ring, insurance for my ring checked. And I have to take the rug that I just bought from Ross. I have to take that back. It was just too much, guys. It was just too much. Now, what I want to talk to you guys about is pretty much that. Sometimes, guys, we do the most. We do the most. We thinking having a lot of stuff is good and this and that, and having a lot of stuff sitting around, it's good, but it ain't. It ain't. Now, like I told y'all, everything that I have been doing, I have been taking y'all along the way with me. Everything. So y'all can see the changes that my life hath made for the positive. I try to tell y'all in depth about, your hair. Because I've been there, done that, scared to cut my hair and this and that. And when I finally did it, that was the best thing that ever happened to me. Real talk. So now you see years later, now I can't get enough of cutting it because I love the way it looks and I love the way it makes me feel. Now, I'm not trying to encourage anybody or try to convince someone to cut their hair. What you do is you. But don't feel like you're a prisoner of having to have long hair or have to wear this wig because you done wore it so long you can't see yourself without it. And like I was saying before, a lot of times I see girls out here with a double hat on. They have the wig and then a hat on top of that because they just can't see themselves walking out without that hair on. A lot of women want to let go of wigs, but because the wigs done ate their hair out around the hairline and things like that, they feel like they can't do anything. Trust me, if you have to wear a bang that starts way back here and come to the front, you can let that wig go until your hairline grow back. So basically what I'm telling you guys, there is ways to get around different things. Like I told you, my hair, I am not cutting my hair anymore, not for a while, and I want to. But the only reason why I'm not is because it's cold and I'm wearing hats and things of that nature. And when I do wear my hair done, I have to, get under, like a lukewarm dryer, if I style my hair and things of that nature. So, yeah, on days I don't want to wear, have my hair done, then I showed y'all what y'all can do, if the weather doesn't permit. But I'm not cutting my hair because it doesn't make any sense. By the time it get warm again, then I can just do one big haircut and then that's it. So my hair is uneven. I showed y'all that in the last 2 videos ago. My hair is uneven because it's growing uneven. I told y'all I just texturized the top of my hair and I'm loving that. I just thought I would, try that. I tried it and I loved it. Then, guys, I showed you a video of me tearing up a dresser. But in the video before that, I said, I'm going to try to give this dresser one more chance. And I knew I did not want that dresser, guys. And in making that video, I turned right around that day because I seen myself doing the same thing. I tore up that dresser as soon as I finished making that first video for you guys about decluttering and stuff. And now look at the dressing room. It ain't even the same color. It don't even look like the same room. And for a matter of fact, I gotta go get, the only thing I got left to get for that room is a chandelier, and they're expensive. I tried to make one 4 times, but that didn't work. So I'm just gonna get it. So only thing I gotta do is get a chandelier, and I'm taking this rug back. I was at Ross the other day. I showed you guys the rug. All right, you see he done already made himself at home. And I had it in my room, but one rug is good enough. I ain't need to. Guys, this shoe is everything. This shoe, yes ma'am, is everything. Guys, I'm telling you, I can't get enough. This shoe goes with me everywhere. Everywhere. Every time you look up, this shoe is nearby me. Listen to me. It's nearby. And I'm drinking more water than I have ever drank before without a problem. Because I like the way this shoe look. I like the way this shoe makes me feel when I am drinking out of it. So guys, that's what I'm saying. Really pay attention. I can't stress this enough, guys, to really pay attention about how you feel about stuff, okay? There's no way that I won't pay attention anymore. I'm gonna tell you that right now. All right, guys, well, I'm almost to my destination. I'm getting my ring checked. All right, I have made it to the mall, so I'm on my way over here to get my ring checked for insurance purposes and everything. People are out here. The parking lot is jam-packed. So I am just going to get into this store, get my ring checked, see what other jewelry they have on sale, probably do a little bit more shopping on leaving the mall. But I have to take care of this business with the ring. So here's my ring, guys. I love my little ring, and I make sure I take care of it. Look at all this jewelry they have. All right, I just left the jewelry store, so I needed just a few more pictures on my wall, but I'm really looking for something like floral or something really like soft and basic. I like these, but the scale of them are too small. So I came over here to the greenery to see if I wanted some plants sitting around. But this store, everything was just thrown everywhere, guys. So I walked through here and I seen some things, but I really wasn't taken with too much. Now, I did see a picture frame because I need to, this right here, this was nice. And it was only, I believe, $4.99. But when I got to the front, the line was too long for a picture frame. As you see, ain't nothing in my buggy. Nothing is in my buggy. Guys, when I'm telling you, I am serious about not cluttering up my space and having all these knick-knack paddywhacks sitting around. I mean it. Once I freed myself of that stuff, I am not going back. I am not going back. All this stuff look nice, but I'm good. Now, I did like this jacket, and I was going to get that jacket, but they wanted like $59 for that little jacket. I wasn't finna do that. Now, guys, I'm in my favorite store right here. This is Akira, and they had some things in there, but you basically got to take out a loan to buy some of the stuff that they got up in there. But these jackets are nice, and I am learning that I am a jacket girl. I am a jacket girl. So this, I don't know what this polar bear coat doing sitting up in there, but it was in there. But I didn't see nothing up in there. I have a jacket like that already, so I didn't get that. And plus, it had a hood on it. I didn't want no hood on my jacket. So pretty much, guys, that was it. I'm about to try to make it home. I took care of my business. I didn't buy anything, and so it's time to make it home. All right, guys, it is late. It is late. But I did get my ring checked. And now I am about to go over here and take this rug back while I'm out here. Guys, like usual, we start when it's daytime and now it's nighttime, and I am on my way home. So guys, on a scale from 1 to 10, how happy am I? I would say I am a 9.5. I would say a 9.5. And the reason for that is because I have a old ceiling fan in my room. I done took the blades off of it and everything, but I can't stand that jalopy. I want a chandelier in my dressing room. But this is why I say it's okay to make mistakes, because guys, that lighting in that room is perfect for you guys. So if you have been paying attention to the videos, you see that the lighting is better, you know, and things of that nature. But every time I look at that ceiling fan, I done tried to decorate it and everything and spent money on decorating it. I don't want to put any more money into trying to decorate that ugly brown ceiling fan. I want a chandelier in there. So I'm not going to spend any more money throwing stuff away, trying to decorate it, you know, buying and then throwing away when it don't work out. I'm just going to get a chandelier. So that's the only thing that's making me a little bit sad right now, is because it ain't up there now, you know. I got other things that I have to get, like I have to get 2 more boxes of wallpaper, a chandelier, and 1 more wall frame. And pretty much, but that room will be pretty much done. Yep. So guys, this is December 1st. This is going to be my first day of Christmas vlogging. So I will be talking to you guys tomorrow. So come on back and visit me. But until then, just relax and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Alright guys, so that is it. It is nighttime now. It is freezing outside and I am on my way home. So guys, I took care of taking care of the rug. I took the rug back. I got my ring checked like I, you know, planned on doing. I wanted to stop at some other stores, but I'm tired and people are out here really driving really bad. So I am going to make it home. Well guys, that is it. I am on my way home. Thanks for coming out, spending this time with me, guys. You are the best. You guys are the best. The hair is like butter. I wish y'all could see it better. So guys, I will talk to you guys in the next video. But until then, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you later, guys.
They'll be calling me royalty.